Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy SafeMoon on Trust Wallet. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, make sure that you've downloaded Trust Wallet application and created a wallet, and once you have it, tap it open. Make sure that you're logged into your Trust Wallet account and you are inside the home page of Trust Wallet. In order to buy SafeMoon on Trust Wallet, you'll first need to buy BNB. So if you don't have BNB right now, simply tap on the BNB option from the main home page and tap on the buy button at the top right hand corner. Enter the amount of BNB you'd like to purchase and select your payment method and tap next at the bottom. Once you have some BNB with you, now you'll need to swap your BNB to Smart Chain. Tap the swap button at the top of the screen and tap on swap to Smart Chain option at the bottom. Now enter the amount of BNB you'd like to swap into Smart Chain into the first text box. Once you type in your amount, tap on the swap button at the bottom of the page and you should see that your Smart Chain order is fulfilled. Now the next thing to do is to open up your dApps browser at the bottom. Once you do that, select Pancake Swap option from the page. You can find it in the history if you've used it before, or you can scroll down and under Popular, select Pancake Swap. If you've not connected your wallet yet, tap on the Connect button at the top right hand corner and select Trust Wallet from the options. Once you've connected your wallet, make sure that you're inside the Swap tab, and once you are, into the swap text box, enter the amount of BNB that you'd like to spend in order to buy SafeMoon in the first text box. In the next field, now select SafeMoon from the options. Once you select SafeMoon, you'll be able to see the amount of SafeMoon you'll be receiving from this particular payment. Now, if you have sufficient balance, you'll be able to buy SafeMoon right away. Since I don't, it is showing me insufficient BNB balance. But if you do, you should be able to buy SafeMoon from this page right away. Confirm your transactions and that way you should be able to receive SafeMoon on Trust Wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.